How's everyone doing today? Well, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share it around, and get my channel out there. Appreciate all the views and everyone watching and getting some valuable information out of me. Anyways, today marks the first day of maple syrup season. Well, probably maybe the second. It was running yesterday, but it's the first day I've come out with the four-wheeler here. Still working on a lot of kinks. It's the first time ever using this type of system. This is my neighbor's four-wheeler. We've blown the tires up. I've repaired the one back tire. The other tire still got a slow leak. And it's really tricky here with the four-wheeler. The snow, I was going to use the snowmobile, but I broke the ski on the snowmobile, so I'm waiting for the part for it to be fixed. Hopefully it's in today. It's been a few days already. It'll be a lot easier coming through here right now. It's the first thing in the morning, so things are still pretty cold. But it's supposed to be up to like 15 degrees today. So this one's actually, you can see it's actually running right now already. These two are running. That's awesome. I think there's a leak in this one somewhere because there's bubbles. There's not supposed to be any bubbles in it. But let's pop this open and see how the flow was yesterday. So yeah, this one's flowing really well. It's already dripping. Looks like it thawed out a bit already. So I'm going to hook up my water pump that I got, which is over here. First time using this, so it's going to be a lot easier for me to pump it out of the barrel into the tote. I've got my water lines here all hooked up with cam locks to put on the front and back. I haven't used this pump yet, so we'll see how it works. I haven't even started it up. But I may actually go to the top quickly first and see if I can figure out where this where these little bubbles are coming from, because that will increase the flow of sap big time. So we'll be back in a few minutes after we go take a quick look and see what's going on up top here. So I've got the tote set up that the sap will flow right into there like that. It'll be perfect. Got my inflow pipe here. I'm just using some bungees here with. And all I need to do is take it over to the intake pipe here, hook it up there, stick it into the bucket, give it a bit of a prime, and we're good to go. So I'll get this hooked up quickly and then show you how she looks. All right, so after yesterday's adventure of trying to get the sap collected, I got the four-wheeler stuck after I got it collected. Couldn't get that water pump to work properly because I couldn't keep the prime proper. So Kristen helped me today and last night, and we got lots of sap. I didn't film in progress. It's just too much to deal with this morning. Woke up to the sap room being flooded. Got a lot of it drained out now, but the water is coming in and off the shed here. It's the lowest point here, so it's rolling in here. So that kind of frustrated me for a few hours, and then a few of the joints were still leaking a bit. I get those fixed, and then finally got boiling around 11 o'clock, which is awesome. Happy with that. And we got the pump working here now. So what we do with the four-wheeler, we bring it up to here, stick the one side into the full tote, pump it up, and this is the sap we've collected today, minus what we've boiled. So almost probably done about half a tote today, which is pretty awesome considering it was really warm overnight. I'm hoping that it gets cold tonight and starts really pumping out in the next few days, because it's late this year. It's 2 weeks late, and I gotta get back in 2-3 weeks to get the park open. But anyways, we'll show you how she's looking. This thing's rocking pretty good. It's really hot and steamy in here. I'm gonna have to get another fan up here just to help blow more steam out there. Hopefully the lens doesn't fog up here. Oh, there we go, it did. But here we are. First pan's already turning color, going a little brown. It's hard to tell because it's so far down. Usually I scoop all the scum off, but I haven't done that yet. Can't even see it. The second pan, the third pan, and the float box where the sap comes in. And it comes up through here from the tote, pre-warms, down, back, and into here. This was leaking this morning too, so I had to put some Teflon tape on it. That was frustrating. And I've got my old beast here. I might be firing that up pretty soon, because I'm not sure how much sap that guy's going to be blowing through. But I'm just doing a trial run today to see how much I can boil, which I haven't really taken note because just a frustrating morning. So I might fire, if we got a lot of sap tomorrow, I'm going to fire them both up, get them both going, because my goal here is to get lots of sap done, boiled as quickly as possible, and have lots of syrup. So we'll keep going on this for a bit, and we'll show you some progress later on. All right, one thing I want to show you quickly too that I've done with my tote when we pump it in after collecting it is up top here. I've just put a paper filter in here. It's hard to see, I don't want to take the top off, but it's in there, so it's straining the debris out that I get while I'm out there pumping into the collection barrels and back. So it's been working really well today. It's boiling down really fast. We'll go down here and see how much we've got. So when I first started the video, the sap was probably up to about here, maybe a bit more, and it's down to here. So it's going pretty quick. I'm hoping by end of the day we'll be almost down to here. And I started late today. I started around 11 o'clock, I think, after all the mishaps I had. So pretty excited about that. The sap is starting to turn color now. It's starting to go into syrup color. It's about 99.5 degrees. You want to bring it up to about 104 degrees. And then take it off and finish it off inside. So I'm pretty excited. First batch of syrup, hopefully be mostly done today. I probably won't finish it today because I'll be too tired after everything that's gone on. But probably finish it tomorrow. So I'll show you some more later on once we get some more boiled down. I gotta say, this evaporator is a beast. As you can tell, the sap is down to here now. Last time we checked in, it was just above here, I think. So I'm hoping in about 2 hours, this whole thing will be down to here. So let's go check out the evaporator room quickly here in Sugar Shack and see how she's coming. Front pan's sweetened up nicely, lots of syrup coming slowly. I just tasted it, it's got a nice syrup flavor now. But look at the steam coming off this now. What I need to do as well, I've got a fan here with the opening. I gotta pop another fan up here. I put a hookup for it the other day, just haven't had time to get to it. So I need to pop another fan there to blow more steam out. And then I need to pop a hole in the back there to get airflow as well. And then, oh, sorry for the vlog, it's like we're in a humid climate right now. Once we get that tote full, what I'm gonna do is probably fire up this evaporator as well. In the meantime, this is doing well. Here we go. So we'll get out of the steam here because it's hard to see anything. But it's pretty awesome that it's firing up nicely here. So there we go. I just want to show you update the first day running the new beast of an evaporator. Really happy with how it's running so far. Got the kinks worked out, I think, for now. We'll see what happens in the next few days when the sap keeps running. Hope you guys enjoy that quick video. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share around. See you out there. Have a great day.